back to Fresher Bee. So in today's video, we will be talking about a latest off-campus placement opportunity from Uber. So in this video, we are going to discuss about all the things one should know before applying for this opportunity. So we will discuss all the things such as the job role, the CTC they are offering, about the job locations, like what type of job it is. We'll talk about the job description, about the educational qualifications required. We'll also discuss the eligibility criteria, and we'll also see how one can actually fill the registration form so that you won't make any kind of mistake while actually filling the registration form. So for all those who are new to Fresher Bee, so let me tell you about Fresher Bee. So in Fresher Bee, I upload videos regarding all the latest off-campus placement opportunities from various MNCs, and videos regarding the selection process for those companies, and videos regarding tips and tricks for the interviews. So I request you all to not skip the video in between and watch the video till the end so that you can get a complete idea over this opportunity from Uber. So before making any further delay, let's move forward with the today's video. So very firstly we'll talk about Uber. So Uber is evolving the way the world moves by seamlessly connecting riders to drivers through their apps. They make cities more accessible, opening up possibilities for riders and more business for drivers. Uber is a technology company that is changing the world the way things about transportation. We are building technology people use every day, whether it's heading home from work, getting a meal delivered from a favorite restaurant, or a way to earn extra income. Uber is becoming part of the fabric of daily India. So this is the information they have mentioned here about the company. So the job location for this opportunity is Bangalore, and this is a full-time job. And the salary here, like you can see best in industry, but they are offering a CTC of 19 LPA for this opportunity. And for talking about the batches eligible, so 2021 batch is the only batch which is eligible for this opportunity. So next we'll talk about the eligibility criteria. So here they have given a number of points. So we'll go through all these points one by one. So very first point here is actively pursuing a BTech or integrated dual degree in computer science, electronics engineering, electrical engineering, and mechanical or mathematical science related fields. Demonstrated software engineering experience through various internship, work experience, coding competitions, and of applications. Programming experience, one or more applications or system languages like Go, Python, Ruby, Java, C, CPP, etc. A commitment to writing understandable, maintainable, and reusable software. Willingness to learn new languages and methodologies. The capacity to work independently and execute within minimal oversight. An innate desire to deliver and a strong sense of accountability for your work. So these are the eligibility criteria they have mentioned here. So next we'll talk about the job description. So as a software engineer, you'll have a direct impact on the customer experience for rider, driver, eaters, restaurant, and business owners and cities alike. You are passionate about massive scalability and conquering international markets. Do you want to make significant contributions to its success? If answered yes to these questions, then you should apply to join our team. So this is the information about the job description. So next they have given various points here in job responsibilities. So we'll go through all these points in a bit. So strong coding abilities, you have advanced knowledge of at least one programming language and of OOP patterns. Fast learner, we are looking for software engineers who perk up learning new technologies or a new partner API. You keep yourself up to date with the latest technology trends, and you are constantly on the lookout for opportunities to try out new things. Speed and equality, you strive on proving that these are not mutually exclusive, that you can achieve both at the same time. You obsess about delivering business results as fast as possible. So ownership, you design and business insights and a standout colleague. So I will put the link for the same in the description box of the video. So if you're willing to read all these things in a detailed manner, you can simply go there and read all these things. So how to apply? So I will now show how one can actually fill the registration form for this opportunity. So I have already mentioned the link required for the same in the description box of the video. So from there you will get the link. you click on the link that I have already mentioned in the description. So once you click on the link that I have already mentioned in the description box of the video, you will be redirected to the next page, which you can see on your screen right now. So this kind of page will appear. So here you have to first create a candidate account by using any of these options here, and then you have to upload your CV. After that, you have to create a login. For that, just enter any login ID, password, and re-enter the password. After that, fill the information such as your name, middle name, last name, and your primary email ID. Then you have to mention your phone number. How did you hear about us? Like, you have to mention any of these things here. And then you have to put the location preferences about your information related to the education you have to fill. And then you have to mention your time zone, your address, and have you reviewed all the information you have filled in form. Just review all this information once again so that you won't feel any kind of wrong information there. And once you cross check all the information, just finally click on the submit profile here. So in this way you can apply for this opportunity by Uber. So this is a very good opportunity as they are offering a CTC of 19 LPA. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please like the video and share this video with your fellow friends. And if you came across any type of queries while actually filling the registration form or any other doubts, please mention all the things in the comment section below. I will reply to all the queries ASAP. And if you are new, then please I request you all to subscribe to Fresh Bee, and I will meet in the next video with one more such opportunity. Thank you.